Welcome everybody, with you Oksana, and now I'll show you how to do the side wave from side to side by your body. Looks like this, from soft knees to one side and to the other side. And now we are doing it step by step. Okay, this move contains of 4 main positions of your body, beginning from when our knees are just soft, sitting a little bit from this way. Don't go this way, please, just straight, your back, sit. Number 1, you just move your leg to the side. Just move it. This is number 1. Number 2, you step on your leg and at the same time you push your hip out on this leg. 1 and 2 together. And 1 and 2. From this position, number 3 move is you're moving the weight of your body from side completely to another side. 3, and a little bit stretching your side muscles. Okay, but this is our position. One more time, all 3 positions together. And 1 and 2 and 3. This is 3 positions. And number 4, you just move the shoulders to normal position of body and close your leg, but keep sitting on bended knees. And the same we're doing to the other side. So position 1 and then position 2, again we move the hip to the side. Position 3, completely moving the weight of the body and stretching up a little bit. And 4, just going back to normal, straightening shoulders and all the body. Once again, doing to the left and to your right. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Again, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Right now, we're going to do it solid without stops, like a slow motion movie. Are you ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and again. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Now we'll try to do it a little faster. 2 times. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like you're pushing all the energy from down to up. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. You don't need to open and close your legs when you're used to it. You can just move the weight of your body from side to side. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The same thing you can do even actually with a closed leg. So try to close it and it will move. The number 1 will be just sitting down a little bit more. And we go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Again, 1 and 2 and growing and straighten and sit, hip to the side, stretching up and straighten. A little faster, it will arrive to this move. Down, out, up, down, up. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. When your body gets used to it, you can yet put your own personality and character in this move. So, and congratulations with the learning. So difficult, but as we see, so easy move. I wish you watch all my videos and will learn with you much, much more. I have many things for you to give. Thank you for watching. With you, Oksana. Have a beautiful day and see you again. Bye-bye.